Welcome to our channel, that is Educator G. Today we will continue our lecture on partnership, and in this session we will discuss some questions on the topic partnership so that your concept will get more clear. You can also follow us on our Telegram channel, that is t.me/educator, and here you can download the PDF of the same lecture which I will teach you today, and you can use it for your ready reference anytime. Okay, let's begin our session and continue from question number 3. So, the question is, a working partner gets 20% as his commission of the profit after his commission is paid. If the working partner's commission is 8,000, then what is the total profit in the business? Options are given: 47,000, 45,000, 48,000, or D, none of these. So, first read the question again to get the question concept more clearly. It's saying that a working partner, and you know what is the meaning of working partner? I have told you already in previous lecture. That is, working partner is one who not only invest in the business but also looks after the business. Okay, so the question is, a working partner gets 20% as his commission of the profit after his commission is paid. Look, here the key point is that he gets 20% as his commission of the profit after his commission is paid. If his commission is given 8,000, then we can say that total profit is X, then X minus 8,000 is the portion of which is 8,000 20%. Okay, so it will be like this one, that is, let's assume that total profit be X. Okay, and according to question, the remaining profit after paying 20% working partner commission, that is, after paying the working partner commission. And what is the working partner commission? It's 8,000 rupees. Okay, then the exact profit will be X minus 8,000, and this will be divided among the working partner and another partner. Okay, so the question is that 8,000 is 20% of X minus 8,000. This is the main concept, so we can apply it directly, that is, X minus 8,000 ka 20%, or X minus 20 into 20% is equal to 8,000, and on solving this we get X minus 8,000 is equal to 8,000 into 100 divided by 20. If you solve it, you will get uh, X minus 8,000 is equal to 40,000. Okay, and if you solve it again, then you will get the final answer as X is equal to 48,000, which is the right answer, and it's option number C. Then you can say that option number C is the right answer. Okay, this is the right answer. Hope you have got the concept more clearly in this question. Let's see our fourth question. A started business with rupees 45,000. Means the investment of A is rupees 45,000, and B joined afterward with rupees 30,000. So investment of B is 30,000. If the profit at the end of first year was divided in the ratio 2:1, so the ratio in which investment is divided is 2:1 respectively, then B would have joined A for business after 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, or 4 month. Okay, before solving the question, have you remembered the cases which I have told in previous lecture? Case number 2, that is, the ratio of the profit of A to profit of B is equal to investment of A into time of investment of A divided by investment of B into time period of investment of B. If you don't remember, let me help you in remembering this. Yeah, this is the same. If two partners A and B are investing their money for different period of time to run a business, then capital of A into time period B by capital of B into time period of B is equal to profit of A by profit of B. See, in this question, we know that the capital of A is given. Here 45,000, capital B is given. A has started business initially from the start of the year. So for A, the total time period will be 1 year or 12 months. Okay, the time period for A will be 12 months. That is T for A is known. But for B, it's not known. So we can assume that time period for B to be X. The same is written here. That is, we have A's capital and B's capital given. The time period of A is given. So, uh, what will the time period for which B has invested his money? Let's assume that B has invested his money for X months. Okay. So, what will the formula? The formula will be like um, total capital by A, that is 30,000 into month 12 month divided by total capital by B 45,000 into X, because we have to find X. This is equal to 2 is to 1, that is 2 by 1. If we solve it, we can cancel these 3, and then 30 by 15 2, and this is 3. This 2 is again cancelled. Okay, and on solving this we get X as 9 months. I think I am doing some mistake here. Let's see the calculation again. That is 2 by 1 is equal to 45,000. Oh yeah, 45,000 into 12 divided by 30,000 into X. Now here we strike these three zeros. This 45 by 15, that is 3, and this one 2, and again this 2 to 6, and this one 3. So we get X is equal to 9 months. So the time period for which P has invested his money is for 9 months. Okay. Now let's see the question. Read the question again. The question is, B would have joined A for business after. It's not asking that for how many months B had joined the business. Don't confuse with that. It is asking that after how many months B joined. Friends, see, you have got that B has invested for 9 months and the total duration is 1 year or 12 months. It means B had joined the business after 12 minus 9, that is equal to 3 months. So the correct choice will be option number C, that is 3 months. Hope this one is also clear to you. So let's go to our question number 5. So question number 5 is P, Q and R invested in the ratio 6 is to 5 is to 7, and after the end of business term they received the profit in the ratio 3 is to 1 is to 5. Find the ratio of time in which they invested in the business. So here we have given the ratio of investment and the ratio of profit. We have to find the ratio of time in which they have invested in the business. So in this case also we have the direct formula, but what we will do, we will take two at a time and we will try to find the time ratio for first two, and then again we take two for a time and we'll try to find the next two, and by combining this we can get the time period for whole of them. And how we will do this, let's see this. So it's given that P, Q and R have invested in the ratio 6 is to 5 is to 7. Their profit is 3 is to 1 is to 5. Now by our formula we know that the ratio of the profit is equal to investment by P into duration of investment of P by investment of Q into duration of investment of Q. This is equal to the ratio of their profit. And if you see here, the ratio of the investment of profit and P and Q is 3 by 1. Okay. If we solve this, then what we will get? 6 into time period of P by 5 into time period of Q is equal to 3 by 1. If we solve this, we get TP by TQ is equal to 5 is to 2. We assume this as equation number 1, that is TP is to TQ is equal to 5 is to 2. This is our equation number 1. We keep this for a moment and let's solve for the next part. That is, now we will compare the investment of Q and R with their profit. Okay, if we do like that, then the investment of Q is given here, that is investment of Q and R. So it will be 6, okay, into, sorry, yeah, it will be 6 into time period of, sorry again, it will be 5 into 7, because the investment ratio of Q is 5 into time period of Q by 7 into time period of R, which is equal to 1 upon 5. If we solve this, we will get TQ is to TR is equal to 7 by 25. So the next ratio is 7 by 25. Okay, the next ratio is 7 by 25, which is by some mistake not represented here. So we get two ratios. First one is 5 is to 2. Okay, 5 is to 2, and second one is 7 is to 25. This is the for P and Q. This is P, this is Q, and this is for Q and R. If we want to combine these ratio, then we know that we have to first multiply this one, that is 5 into 7 is equal to 35 is to, then we have to multiply these two, 14, and then we have to multiply these two, 50. So the correct answer will be 35 is to 50. 14 is to 50 is the ratio of the time duration of investment of P, Q and R, and this is given here in option number 2. So option number 2 is correct. Hope you understood the concept. If you get any doubt in any kind of questions or any concept, kindly comment in the comment box section. I will definitely try to answer your doubts, and so that you will get thorough concept clearly. Okay, let's see question number 6. The question is that A, B, and C invest rupees 2,000, 3,000, and 4,000 respectively in a business. So the investment of A is 2,000, B 30,000, and C 4,000. After 1 year, A removed his money, but B and C continued for 1 more year. If the net profit after 2 years is 3,200, what is the share of A in the profit? Okay, so here it is given that the total profit after 2 years is 3,200, and we have to find what will be the share of A in the profit. We have been given investment here and the time period. That is, for A it will be 1 year, for B and C it will be 2 years. Clear? So we know that we have already did the formula that investment of A into duration of investment of A is to investment of B into duration of investment of B is to investment of C into duration of investment of C is equal to A's profit ratio B's profit ratio C's profit. Remember it? It is the same concept which we have read earlier. This one. The ratio of the capital into time by of A to capital into time of B is equal to profit of A is to profit of B, and the concept will continue in case the number of partners in a group is more than 2. In that case, it will be capital of P is to capital of Q is to capital of R is equal to profit of A, P is to profit of Q is to profit of R, which we have read, which we have to apply in this question. So the investment of A is 2,000, but the time period of A is 1 year. So it will be 2,000 into 1 is 2. For B it will be 3,000 into 2, because B has invested his capital for 2 years. Okay, is to 4,000 into 2, because C has invested for 2 years also, which is equal to the profit of A is to profit of B is to profit of C. On simplifying this ratio, we get A's profit to B's profit to C profit is equal to 2 is to 6 is to 8, or on simplifying more we get 1 is to 3 is to 4. So this is the ratio of profit of A, B and C. Okay. Now we know the ratio of the profit of A and B, B and C. So what we can do, total profit is 3200. So A's profit will be to 3200 into 1 by total profit, that is 8. 1 by 8. Applying this here we get, so on solving this we get A's profit is equal to 400 rupees, 400 rupees. Okay, which is option number 4. So option number 4 is the correct answer for this question, and so we can say that option 4 is the correct choice. Friends, I hope you have got the concept of partnership and you can also attempt more questions at your home or in your classroom. And if you find any kind of doubt in any question, you can comment the same question in comment box or on our Telegram group, and then I will post a video on the same questions on which you have stuck. Okay, I think you are exhausted by the lessons. Okay, let's conclude the lecture here, and we will continue the concept of math series in our next class with a new concept on a new topic. Okay, but before going, I would like to say one more thing to you. We need your support to make our channel grow and to reach to more aspirants. So I request you all to kindly share the channel link, that is youtube.com/c/educator. Thank you friends. Have a nice day. See you again. Bye bye.